Hi, my name is Chris Rupp. I am a musician and YouTube artist from Minnesota, and I recently had hair transplants done over the last 5 years, and now I look like this.
What was the moment when you decided to take action to fix your hair?
You know, when I was, 5 years ago, so I was 36, I'm 41 now. I was shooting a music video with some other musicians that were definitely younger than me, and I felt I didn't look like I matched with them. And I hated that feeling, again, because I do so much PR related things. I wanted to match my look with them. And so I said, okay, let's see what the options are. Let's find out more information. Like, could I have hair again? I heard this is a possibility. And lo and behold, it actually was. So when I met with HRI, I just discovered a lot of different options that could be available to me. There's laser therapy, there are even toupee things, something like that. But I wanted a permanent solution. And I've discovered through consulting with them that there is one, and that's doing actual hair transplants from the back of my head to the front of my head, and that just felt like the right answer all around. I didn't want to have to take pills every day for the rest of my life. I wanted something that just worked.
Yeah.
So when I started investigating different options for doing the hair transplant, one name that came to my mind repeatedly was HRI. Now, I had heard a lot of advertisements on the radio endorsed by various local Minnesota celebrities, and when I got here, I was extremely impressed with the whole operation. I was very welcoming, no judgment, no pressure. Like, these are the options. We'd love to help you if this works for you. If it doesn't, not a problem at all. And the staff was friendly, and the whole procedure was in and out in the same day. It was just an all-around great experience. I gotta say, having this hair has changed my life. Now I can shoot music videos with every option available to me. I can wear a hat if I want to wear a hat. I can do activities where I don't have to worry about my hair being an issue. I can do different styles with it now. I could dye it a different color if I wanted to. So just from a professional standpoint, it's been a blessing and a half. And socially, it's been wonderful too. I feel more attractive. I feel more natural. I feel that someone doesn't look at me and say, "Oh, he's balding." It's a nice place to be, and I'm really happy I did the procedure.
Gotcha. What do you see when you look at yourself in the mirror today?
Oh, I just want to blow kisses at myself now with these luscious locks. Oh, it's nice. It's wonderful. And in a way, it's in a great place because I certainly look different than I did when I was 21 or 18 or something. But that's fine because it kind of, you're aging gracefully. But it looks like just little things, like, a little bit back here, a little bit here. But it's just so nice to see the flowingness of the hair. And, yeah, this is good stuff. That's what I see.